What are the ChatGPT keyboard shortcut list on Windows 11 and Windows 10? And ChatGPT is a great move for productivity. You can use it for help with anything from writing your emails to coding. But you know what's an even greater move to enhance your productivity? And that is keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are among a few small updates being rolled out to ChatGPT over the week, and here we will bring you for some important ChatGPT keyboard shortcuts for Windows system. Now we will see ChatGPT keyword shortcut list on Mac OS.